Good morning students. In the previous video we were discussing about grades of concrete, characteristic strength of the concrete, basic concept of the reinforced cement concrete and advantage of RCC. So next is reinforcing material. So reinforcing materials is the additional material embedded in the concrete at the time of casting so as to resist tensile stresses set up in the member is known as reinforcing material. Reinforcement can be mild steel plain bars, tour steel, steel fibers, glass fibers or bamboo etc. In order to make RCC a durable and sound construction, it is very important to select the right type of material for reinforcement. Generally, steel is used as reinforcing material because it develops a good bond with concrete in order to increase its strength. The reinforcing bars are also known as rebars. Characteristics of an ideal reinforcing material: it should be easily available and cheap. It should possess high tensile strength and elasticity. It should form good bond with concrete. Coefficient of expansion should be nearly same as that of concrete, and it should be free from loose rust, paints, oils, mud and other coatings which may destroy or reduce bond with concrete. It should be easily cut, bent or welded. It should be durable. Steel is preferred as reinforcing material because of the following properties. It is easily available throughout India. It has the property of elasticity. It can withstand high tensile stresses due to ribs or projection present on the steel bar. It develops good bond with concrete. Coefficient of linear expansion of steel is nearly same as that of concrete. So for steel, coefficient of linear expansion, its value is 11.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius. For concrete, its value is 9.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius. So the two values are nearly equal, and therefore both the materials will expand or contract equally, thereby reducing the chances of development of temperature stresses. Forms of steel reinforcement. Steel reinforcement used in reinforced concrete may be of the following types. So mild steel reinforcement conforming to IS 432. Mild steel plain bars having yield strength of 250 Newton per square millimeter, also known as Fe 250 grade steel. So properties of mild steel. This type of steel is most ductile due to less percentage of carbon. These bars are mostly plain, round and hot rolled. So these can be easily bent and are weldable. To develop sufficient bond with concrete, hooks and bends are provided at their ends for proper anchorage. This type of steel has definite yield point. Mild steel is not preferred in RCC works due to less yield strength but costs almost same as that of high strength deformed bar. It gives sufficient warning before failure. High yield strength deformed bar conforming to IS 1786. This type of steel is mostly used in RCC works due to high yield strength. These bars are produced by subjecting the mild steel plain bar to cold working by twisting or tensioning. Properties of HYSD bar. The HYSD bars have very high yield point but do not show definite point of yield. The yield stress or characteristic stress is designated as 0.2% proof stress. Deformation or projection provided on the surface of bars check the slipping of bars from concrete. So these bars do not need hooks or bends at their ends. So it requires less length of overlaps and hence proves to be economical. HYSD bars may be hot rolled, yield strength deformed bars or cold worked high strength deformed bars. Cold twisted deformed bars CTD bars are available in India under the patent trade name Tor Steel. Tensile strength of HYSD bars is very high. So Indian Standard Code IS 1786 deals with the properties and specifications of HYSD bars. Strength grades. HYSD bars are available in the following strength grades: FE 415, FE 415D, FE 500, FE 500D, FE 550, FE 550D, FE 600. So the value 415, 500, 550 or 600 is the 0.2% proof stress or yield stress in Newton per square millimeter. So the letter D following the strength grade indicate the category with same value of the yield stress but with increased minimum percentage elongation. Nominal size. So nominal size is defined as the dimension of the diameter of round bar in millimeter. Diameter of bar is usually represented by the symbol phi. The nominal size of the bars are as follow. So 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 20 millimeter, 25 millimeter, 28 millimeter, 32 millimeter, 36 millimeter and 40 millimeter. Relationship between yield stress and percentage elongation. Tensile strength of steel bar is inversely proportional to the percentage elongation. That is, greater the tensile strength of steel bar, lesser is the percentage elongation. Elongation of steel bar is a desired property in designing structure subjected to seismic forces. Seismic force means earthquake forces. It was earlier specified that steel of grade below Fe 415 grade should be used to cater the demand of earthquake resistant structure. But as per IS code 1786, so by using the strength grades 415D, 500D and 515D, so more percentage elongation can be attained with the same strength. Advantage of HYSD bars. HYSD bars have high yield strength, therefore amount of steel required is considerably reduced. Due to deformation or ribs on the surface of the bars, there is a better bond between the concrete and steel and chances of slipping of reinforcing bars get reduced. Thereby no end hooks are required as in the case of mild steel plain bar. Higher grades of steel like Fe 500D can be used efficiently with better elongation. Therefore, both strength and ductility can be achieved simultaneously in the design of earthquake resistant structure. Thank you.